Hey guys! Are you tired of dealing with septic tank issues? If so, you're in luck because I have a solution that can help you solve all your septic tank problems for good. It's called SEPTIFIX Tablets, and in this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about this amazing product. From what it is to why and how it can help you, I'm going to cover it all. So, if you're tired of dealing with septic tank issues, then keep on watching. First of all, I must tell you that SEPTIFIX Tabs is only sold in the official website. I'll let the link below if you decide to order the real one, because there are some fake products being sold in the internet that won't deliver what I'm bringing here today. In septic tanks, there are a variety of problems that can arise. Some of the most common issues include clogging, backup, and foul odors. Clogging can occur due to the buildup of solid waste and debris, which can block the flow of water and cause backups. Backups can also occur due to a full tank or a malfunctioning drain field. Finally, foul odors can be a result of bacteria and other microbes breaking down waste and releasing gases. These problems can be a major hassle for homeowners and can even be dangerous if left unchecked. SEPTIFIX Tabs are a powerful septic tank treatment that has been designed to break down waste and eliminate odors quickly and effectively. The tablets are made from a unique blend of natural enzymes and bacteria that work together to break down waste and create a healthy, safe, and oxygen-releasing environment for your septic system. I don't know what you are facing with your septic tank right now, but I assure in few days or weeks using SEPTIFIX you will come back here and thank me. After you flush them down your toilet, they will easily solve all your septic tank's problems. Once they reach your septic tank, they reduce, then eliminate noxious odors, the smell, extremely fast in just 3 to 5 days, break down and eliminate all organic sludge from septic tanks, including natural oils, grease, and organic hydrocarbons, destroy all the bad anaerobic bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella and other harmful pathogens which are usually found in septic tanks and can cause many health problems to your family, prevent backups and clogs, and all other associated problems in septic tank systems, including corrosion, and reduce, and in many cases, eliminate the need to have your septic tank pumped. Trust me, you will save hundreds or I could say thousands of dollars each year on pumpers or a plumber for a fix. And the best part, you will help protect the environment, giving it back water 100% clean and free of chemicals and pollutants. The best part about SEPTIFIX tablets is that they are easy to use. All you need to do is drop a tablet into your septic tank, and it will start working immediately to break down waste and eliminate odors. Plus, with regular use, SEPTIFIX tablets can help prevent clogs and backups, saving you time and money in the long run. But that's not all. SEPTIFIX tablets can also help extend the life of your septic system. By creating a healthy environment for your septic system, SEPTIFIX tablets can help prevent damage and prolong the lifespan of your system. You can order a 6-month, 12-month, or 18-month supply, and you can save $150 to have your septic tank treatment for long term. And if you are not satisfied, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. To conclude, I must say there are more than 21,000 septic tank owners from US using SEPTIFIX tablets every month, and they are all worry-free because their septic system is running smoothly. So, there you have it, guys. That's everything you need to know about SEPTIFIX tablets. If you're tired of dealing with septic tank problems, then I highly recommend giving this product a try. And the best part? You can purchase it right now on the official website. So, head on over to the link below and order yours today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Click and Solution channel and activate the notifications to receive products reviews every week. Please give this video a like and leave your comment below. See you next time.